Yes, we are on a roll now, folks. Jose Rodriguez here. Are chips interchangeable? No, of course not. Each chip, I'm not going to open this, but there's a chip right here. That chip contains codes written into the chip itself. Two sets of codes. One identifies it as a photomagenta chip. So I cannot put that chip on a yellow cartridge. It just simply will not work. It still will identify that yellow cartridge as a photomagenta cartridge. And it has to be then installed on the photomagenta slot of the Pro-100. Well, would you want to do that with a yellow cartridge? Of course not. You will contaminate the whole printhead. So the code that identifies the color is read only. It cannot be rewritten into some other code, say some other color code. No, it cannot. It is permanently written into the chip. The only thing that can be upgraded or reset, if you will, is the levels. So the levels right now would probably be near low for this chip. If I pop it into my printer, it will probably register as nearly low, maybe about 20% before low comes. And so if I was to reset this chip right now, I would bring it up to full. But again, to answer that question, I cannot then take that chip and pop it into another cartridge. It just will not let me do that. It has to be another photomagenta cartridge. The reason I brought this up is because somebody posted a offer for 330 milliliter cartridges for the Pro-1000. They were empty. And it was a bunch of them. And the guy just simply wanted shipping money. And he would ship it to anyone for just the cost of shipping. And somebody asked, well, do you have the chips? And I thought, they should still be installed on the actual cartridge, right? No, they had been taken off and they were all in a bag. How are you going to tell which color is which? Can you imagine testing 12 loose chips on something like this? Yeah, each chip is specific to a color, okay? Each one. So in a set of 12, each one of those 12 cartridges, each chip has a specific color for yellow, chroma optimizer, magenta, photomagenta, cyan, photocyan, and so on down the road. Red, blue, and you name it, and all the blacks. So no, they are not interchangeable. I know that's a silly question maybe to some of you. Like, how could somebody be that silly? Well, it happens. You know, the raw beginner really has no clue what a chip even is. So, of course, they will think that. It's okay, you know. But no, it's like a key for your car. It's only for that one car and not someone else's car. So that is it for now. I hope that kind of cleared up the question about chip interchangeability. It does not exist. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And as always, happy printing, everybody. Bye-bye.